Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google One app or visiting one. Google.com and signing into the exact Google account you use for backups and storage. Once signed in, select Get Google One and pick the storage tier you need. Pricing and shared family options appear immediately so you can compare. Make sure billing country and account region match your payment method to avoid declines. If you have a promo code or offer, enter it before proceeding, because it applies only at checkout. Next, choose a payment method, credit or debit card, PayPal where available, or carrier billing if your carrier supports it. Enter card number, expiry, CVC, and the exact billing address that your bank has on file, because mismatches cause authorization failures. Once verified, pick monthly or yearly billing. Yearly often saves money and reduces chance of interruption. Review the subtotal, taxes, and next billing date so you know when the charge will recur. Finally, confirm the purchase and accept Google's terms. You'll get a confirmation email with plan details and next billing date. Once done, open Google One settings to manage sharing, storage distribution, and billing cycle changes. If the payment fails, first double-check card number, expiry, CVC, and billing address, then retry. If it still fails, contact your bank to authorize charges or try an alternate payment method, because banks sometimes block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.